we're back with another video. In this video, we're gonna try and install the flares onto the car, which means a lot more cutting on the fender. These are the flares right here. These are the fronts, and that's gonna be the rears. I believe I got the rears a little bit wider. I don't know exactly how many millimeters though. I got them a long time ago. Yeah, they stick out way too much, so we do need flares on it. Anyway, yeah, like I said, flares, and we're also gonna try installing the front bumper. Meanwhile the flares are drying. I am gonna spray paint them. I was gonna wrap them initially, which is the gloss black, like the car itself, but I decided not to. I think they're gonna get a little too beat up with the wrap, so I'd rather spray paint it. And I am gonna spray paint it the right way though. Put the base coat, put the primer, couple coats of gloss black, wet sand it, do all that stuff. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing.
Can you find your stuff already? You're taking too long.
I know, right?
The sun's going down.
Well, thanks to this guy editing.
Fool.
Or editing.
Fool,
taking a whole day. Taking a whole 12-hour shift just to edit.
What?
Let's try and get the bumper up.
You're gonna break it.
It's actually perfect. So I don't know if you guys remember, or if you guys go back,
What?
or if you guys could go.
What?
Or if you guys could go back to previous videos, the reason why I did this cut right here, I used to have a bash bar before, which actually saved most of the impact when I crashed it, but it was a little too long. So that's why I did. So that's why I did this. The bash bar. It just looked pretty cool. Go back to photos or previous videos, and you could see how I had it. But anyways, I will be making my own bash bar in the front. But yeah, that's in later videos. So I am gonna keep this, and if anything, if I do buy a new bumper, we're probably not gonna cut the new bumper, but everything's gonna be under. Everything's gonna be quick release anyways. But we're gonna go ahead and try and mount it up. As you can see, I unbended the whole bumper already. This was all the way in here. It's a lot better now. So let's go ahead and mount it up.
You want to give them a sneak peek of the bumper?
Just really quick. There. I'm gonna install the rest of the quick releases over here, and then we'll show you guys the finished product.
Didn't we say we were gonna paint it and let it dry while we're doing the bumper?
Kind of got carried away trying to put on the bumper. Yeah, we're gonna take a little pause right now from the bumper and get these painted. That way they get dried up properly before we add several coats on it.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna spray down the primer first, and you guys will see a little bit of the process. We're not gonna show you everything because it's gonna be a little too boring, and then we go. All right, so meanwhile the flares are drying up right now. We're gonna finish mocking up the bumper. Or not mocking it up, I'm trying to put it on already. If it drags, scrapes, hits everywhere, I really don't care about this bumper anymore.
Broken anyways.
Yeah, it's broken anyways. So yeah, we're gonna continue on the bumper right now. Or we'll actually show you guys after the bumper is completely on. We'll give you guys a little walk around.
Oh, you messed it up.
Well, we actually left a big old gap. But actually, I don't know. There is no but. We'll see if we fix it right now. But in my defense, I was the one drilling the holes.
What the?
And somebody over here was holding everything in place.
Nah, it was right. It was holding it right.
We'll actually find out right now. Wait.
You gay!
A little too close to my mouth.
Hey, mother. Well, what you about to do?
Well, we're gonna add a coat after the primer right now. Just a little quick primer. We're gonna add a coat of semi-gloss, and then I have fully glossed over there. I know I have clear coat.
Wait.
I don't have clear coat. I don't know if we're gonna need it, but we'll see till the end anyways. I'm ready. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do right now is as you can see, we're gonna use this. Look at the clearance right now. There is absolutely zero clearance. And we're also gonna cut the bumper because yeah, that's definitely gonna get caught. But yeah, we're gonna cut. Let me see the other lever quick. That's a little too close there, buddy.
I know it looks far on the camera.
Right. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna cut right into it. Literally cut right into it.
Good.
Is it really?
Nah.
So we cut the fenders already. We're gonna go on a little test drive right now. Make sure nothing rubs, and if it rubs, we're just gonna take off the fender.
This fool.
So that way if we crash again, we don't even have to worry about it.
Let's give him a sneak peek of how it's looking.
Alright, so it's drying, and I just stained it. So I need to do this fast. Alright, this video we're gonna leave you guys off with just a B-roll of the car right now, of how it's sitting, bumper installed, fenders cut, ready for the over fenders. There will be a part 2, which is the following video after this, installing these. I actually finished this off because I want to get more into detail into these. We didn't have enough time today. We're losing daylight. Definitely want to wet sand them. And at first I didn't want to spray a clear coat, but I think I am. So definitely there will be a part 2 installing these fender flares onto the Mustang. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be next video tomorrow.